Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know me as a YouTube teacher, mwalimu wa YouTube, and today I am letting you in on a secret. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by editing, thumbnail, and coming up with that perfect idea? What if I told you there is an AI partner that does a heavy lifting for you? YouTube has introduced Nano Banana AI, and it is changing game for creators like us. Today, we are diving deep into Nano Banana AI, the tool that is literally changing how I create. So, what is exactly Nano Banana? Think of it as your creative director. It is a generative AI specifically built for us YouTube creators. It doesn't give you just random facts. It understands your channel, your audience, and what is new. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is like having a full production team in your pocket. Step number 1 is the hardest part. What do I film next? With Nano Banana, you just tell it your niche. For me, I just tell it educational content for creators. Then it generates original ideas, summaries, and even tells me how likely my audience is to enjoy them based on my past videos. No more writer's block. Step 2 is the packaging. We all know if they don't click, they don't watch. Nano helps me design thumbnail context that stops the scroll. It suggests layout and even create images for me. It writes titles that are optimized for the YouTube algorithm, so your videos actually get found. Finally, step number 3, the execution. Once you have the ideas, Nano Banana can help you write a full script or just a detailed one like the one I am using right now. It ensures that your video has a strong hook, pacing, and a clear call to action so your viewers stay until the very end. I've been using this technique for my recent upload and the engagement has been amazing. My birthday surprise video hit 12.5% click-through rate in the first 12 hours, and right now it is at 9.4% as I record this video. That is the power of combining your unique voice with the right tools. Now, I want to show you step-by-step tutorial on how to use this tool. So, I want to show you how it works. So you come to YouTube, then YouTube Studio. You come to YouTube Studio. You see here, this is the AI. Now, because of the main door, I push it here so that you can be able to work on it well. So when you come to AI, you can see how can I ask studio help, summarize comments, and just new video ideas, summarize my channel performance. This is what you can ask AI, but you can also type yours here. So like now you can see, if you want the AI to summarize your channel or your channel is doing, you can just click here. What are more suggestions here? Refine my video title, get inspired for your next content, and just new videos. Yeah, if you want it, this one does everything. If you want like a new, maybe I can say, let's try to get a thumbnail. Create a thumbnail because for me, because we said about thumbnails, so you come here on this one, it has no access to your gallery, so you can't be able to send a photo here. It's not like ChatGPT. So what you do, if you want to create a thumbnail, you first post the video, put it unlisted, then you come here and select. Let's say you want to select a video, can come here and say create a thumbnail for that video. So click here, create. Let's see what it does, but you have to wait. Creating a thumbnail, this one, it's a bit slower than ChatGPT, so we give it time. The good thing with this Creator Studio AI, it has access to your videos. So if you come here and you want to create a video, you just want some ideas, it will first go to your videos, check what you do, or you can even you can give them your niche, or they can just go and check. Even the thumbnail, they'll just, everything you do, they have first to go and check your videos. Like now, it has to go and check how is my video performing. Is the thumbnail that is there doing well or not? So that's what it does. So that's the good thing with this AI. It has access to your videos, and it will give you everything, having first checked your video, give you something that they have analyzed, something that it can do well to your videos, because they will give you better. They check your videos where you failed, then they can rectify. If it is a thumbnail, they'll check how you've been doing the thumbnails. They can give you a better thumbnail that is clickable. Cynthia has created, it has gotten the image from the video, because I didn't give any image. But on ChatGPT, you have to give them an image, or they will create something for you like this, which does not have your own image if you don't give them the photo. This thumbnail places emotional TF expression front and center, using tight framing to pull viewers into your personal experience. The heart-shaped cake in the background provides immediate context for the celebration without distracting from the main emotional hook. Yeah. Okay. They given me two. They're supposed to unexpected. Wow. This other one, I think I want to go with this one. If I was to post today, I would go with this one. I mean, then you have to download. Otherwise, when you leave here, you'll not find this. This is, how do you call it? This content again, not like ChatGPT. You can save them. You can leave them, and when you come, you'll still get them. This one, you have to save the image. Give a video idea. Let's see. Go if you want to have a video idea. You don't know, like me. Maybe I want to do a video today. Maybe I don't have an idea on how to do secret formula for YouTube thumbnails and actually get clicks. Telling me you can do secret formula for YouTube thumbnails that actually get clicks. This is the idea, the video idea that I'm giving you. Why this works for your channel? The idea is a perfect fit, because you have already established yourself as a YouTube teacher. As one commenter called you, since you owned, yes, one sending mwalimu wa YouTube, that is YouTube teacher, mwalimu has commented to call you. Yeah, there is someone commented mwalimu wa YouTube, and YouTube has gotten it. In fact, on my other, when I was searching yesterday, it was calling me mwalimu wa YouTube in Swahili. In brackets, YouTube teacher. So today they have sent us one commenter called here. Since your audience is actively asking for help with thumbnails and curious, because yes, there's someone was asking me how to make a thumbnail on one of my videos. That's about which AI tools you use. I deep dive into your specific formula will likely see how interest it is also built on. Yeah, this is the idea. Now, if they give you that and maybe you don't have words to do it, you can ask them, give me a full script. Especially this one is like for those who are storytelling. Those who are doing stories, they get full script from AI, either ChatGPT or whatever. They get prompt, so they just copy paste to go and get either to voice over themselves, or they can use another AI to do the voiceover. Give me a full script. Let's see. So when you get that full script, you can use it, or you can just get the points like I do. You get the main points that from there. You see, this is the full script. Full script. You can see. Wow. Then you send. It can give you thumbnail, video idea, full script. Then me ask, you see the video secret formula for YouTube thumbnail. I can ask them, give, if I don't want that, what do you call it, thumbnail, give a clickable title for the video. Let's see. The secret formula for thumbnails that actually get clicks. This is number 1. Option 2, how I make my thumbnails pop. This is one of the video, the whatever title. Then thumbnails are your weakness. Do this to get more views. See, they've given you the title. The secret for thumbnails that get you clicks. This is number 1. Number 2, so you can choose which one you want. We have even option 4. The real reason people aren't clicking your videos. Fix it fast. See, and that's how you get. What else do you want to get from here? See, so the good thing with this one, they assess your channel, and they analyze it and give you something that is related to your niche, something that will improve from what you posted last time. ChatGPT has no access, but even ChatGPT is good. So this is the tool that YouTube has introduced for us creators that will make our work easy. That makes you, if you want to end it, they cannot end it for you, but they can guide you on how to end it. Let's come here. Can you help in editing? They'll give you the answers here. I can plan exactly where to place your cards for you. They can help you. They will not edit the video for you here, but they can tell you here, this place, this on how to place everything. You see, these are how to. They can guide you on where to end it. There's something else I wanted. Why can't I tell them? We start from here. We've gotten that. Where we started. Summarize my comments. Suggest new video ideas. That one now, it's like the one I was asking them. Summarize my channel performance. Let's see how they summarize my channel. Yeah. See, channel, they have summarized for me. They have summarized for me. Here it Your impression have jumped by over 15%, meaning YouTube is showing your thumbnails to more people. Climbed with slightly higher clicks through rate. Now at 2.65%, this is a great sign that your title and thumbnails are working under for. Yay! You are attracting a lot of new faces. Your new viewers have increased by about 63%. Wow! This month, which perfectly matches the subscriber boost you have seen. Consistency. Your publishing consistently is currently rated as daily, which is likely a huge drive for the steady increase in views and unique viewers we are seeing. Yay. Sometimes I go live in between, but I don't post content daily, but sometimes in between I do lives. Actionable recommendation. Capitalize on new viewers. At least my videos are doing well. They say my thumbnails are doing well. They are clickable. Yeah, so what else do you ask? What else can you ask? It will depend. Now you can come and summarize wherever you want to. If you don't have a laptop, you can go to YouTube on your Chrome. You type YouTube Studio Desktop. When you click there, you'll get this kind of page. Then you come to YouTube Studio. You'll see where to click YouTube Studio. Everything you'll get there if you don't have a laptop. So I hope this one will help you. Even at least you can even use it to summarize your performance so that you can know where to improve, where not to make thumbnails. Some people don't know even how to make thumbnail. You can use it to do that. And if you have no video idea, you can get ideas. You can get full script from here, or you can get a summary of what you want to talk about, or even when you are cooking, you can come and ask them. They can check your videos and advise you on which meal you're supposed to cook that day, or what kind of food, depending on your channel, and they can advise you. Every creator, they are able to understand because they have to view your channel and check your performance. So I hope this one will be of help. But if you've not understood, you can as well comment and ask on the comment. Ask me any question. I'll be ready to answer you. Now, I want to hear from you. Which part of YouTube do you find the most difficult? Is it the ideas, the editing, or is it the thumbnail? Let me know in the comment section, and let's talk about how AI can help you overcome it. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more creator tips. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.